Hello, and thank you for choosing Harold G. Shavitz Industries, the sensor connection. Today we will demonstrate how to calibrate an LVIT linear position sensor using the SenSet Field Programmability feature. SenSet is a unique feature that allows you to adjust the output of the sensor to match the actual mechanical movement of the device in which the sensor is installed. SenSet is limited to a range of 20% off each end and is designed to make minor adjustments of output endpoints. SenSet can be configured in 4 ways. In Configuration A, SenSet is used to adjust both ends of the sensor's range. Configuration B adjusts the full scale end only. Configuration C adjusts the 0 end only. And Configuration D is the factory default. For this example, we will be calibrating the sensor to Configuration A. To learn more about this feature in detail, click the link in the description or visit our website. To perform SenSet calibration, you will need the following tools and materials: a DC power supply, a digital multimeter, an HGSI brand LVIT, a measurement device such as a ruler or dial caliper, or have the LVIT installed in the device in which it is measuring. For this demonstration, we will be using a 6-inch ILPS 19 series position sensor from our product line that serves automated machinery applications with a 0 to 10 volt DC output. Begin by connecting the LVIT to the power supply. Connect the positive side of the power supply to the red wire and connect the negative side of the power supply to the black wire. Next, to connect the voltmeter, which will measure the electrical signal output from the LVIT, connect the positive lead of the voltmeter to the green wire and connect the negative lead of the voltmeter to the negative side of the power supply. The out-of-the-box factory calibration for this LVIT is 0 to 10 volts, equals 0 to 6 inches. You can see as you stroke the unit from the fully retracted position, 0 volts output, to the fully extended position, 10 volts output, demonstrating the factory calibration. To begin the SenSet calibration process, position the LVIT in your desired start position. For this example, we will reduce the sensing range of the unit by 2 inches, giving us a total range of 4 inches. We will do this by setting our new 0 position 1 inch away from the fully retracted position. Then connect the white wire to the power supply ground for 3 seconds. Notice that the voltage output from the unit will now read a constant 5 volts, indicating the unit is in SenSet calibration mode. Next, extend the LVIT to the 5-inch position, then connect the white wire to the power supply ground for 3 seconds. The voltmeter will now read 10 volts out, indicating that calibration has been completed. The LVIT's output has now been calibrated over the new mechanical range of motion. As you can see, 0 volts now equals 1 inch, and 10 volts now equals 5 inches. If for some reason you do not achieve the desired output, the unit can be easily recalibrated by repeating the SenSet procedure. If the calibration procedure is not completed within 30 seconds, the LVIT will revert to factory calibration. To restore the LVIT to its factory calibration, connect the white wire to the power supply ground for 30 seconds. SenSet is resettable and can be done at any time. At no point should the white wire come into contact with the positive side of the power supply. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications to receive future updates. For additional pricing and technical questions, visit us at hgsind.com. Harold G. Shavitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business.